I woke up to some snow today. It's happened overnight, but I think the birds are afraid of finding food. They think it's winter again, so they're going crazy over the bird feeders. And this one got trapped. I don't know how long he's been in there. His friends are gonna try and let's let him out. Hi, little guy. Are you trapped? I'm sorry. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Just gonna uncover the snow here. Okay. All right, you ready? Go on. Oh, there you go. There he is. You're all right. We're gonna feed the birds now. Okay. It's a beautiful morning.